Like I said, in this one, don't get me involved. These are the new reflections off of my computer and my apartment. But there's too much light, I think. There's too much light. See the light? So much light. You don't see the light in the background, right? But you see so much light in the front. Anyways, I didn't want to twist anything into this. So where's the light coming from? It's pretty weird, eh? Okay, this is what we want to talk about. Darn. Darn, are, nay. The birth of, okay? The divided sides. Because a darn or a darn is salmon in French. Not a filet. And a filet says one side. It also says filet means a net. Net 10. TELIF 9 and 6. Okay, each side of the fish, which means the connection on each side of the fish, the Jesus fish. You got both sides, right? You got both sides. Here's the mouth, okay? You got this side here, you got this side here, okay? And you got bullseyes here and bullseyes here, and here's his fin. Then at the back, the fin has to go up like this and connect on one side, and the fin has to go up like this and connect the other side. Now this is the fin in the center. However you want to do it. Okay, so what I'm trying to get into this is that this is what happens, and then they say that darn cat. When they say that darn cat and it's a catfish, it has to do with some kind of information that swims within you. Something to do, part of the either the communication with the body, or it could be the communication. I'm always assuming that it's part of the control or how they control our body inside of us, and an explanation that a darn divides up. It has to skip. How can I exactly show you it has it has this, okay? And then this is empty over here. This over here is empty. The fish was sewn up until you get to his head. You know what I'm saying? Till you get to his head. But this would be the fish. Now, we're going to jump on. I know it's a shitty video up to now, and I'm not happy with it. But in Arne, or ENE, right? This shows the connections to two worlds. E and EN creates 19 and 19 plus 5, okay? 24, which is the X, the positioning to take all the worlds. In NE, you end up at 1919, becomes two moons, which means the B world that lives in this world. 19 is the highest number you can get. With TH, do you know why? Because from 4th to 19th equals to 210 minus 26 equals to 184. Okay, this would be Mercury, Neptune, and Mars, and then this would be Uranus, Neptune, and Mercury when we reverse low shoe with it. Okay, this becomes 58, the matrix. I can't explain it, but I had the number for ELO in the matrix. Okay, but what I'm going to say to you is, if you add from 4th to 19th, it equals 184. Minus 4 becomes 180. Minus 19 becomes 161. This gives you the light and the spirit of 76. Why does this do it? Because when you total up the count from 1 to 20, it equals to 210. The actual height total is 231, or 3 times 77. Because it's 1 plus 20 equals 21. Because the center of the dartboard that takes up a little bit of all the numbers in order to have that space to share it again within that space as a plug-in through the red dot. The red dot will light up all the green, and then all the green will light up all the numbers after that. Okay, do you understand? The dartboard, if you ever take a look at it, it was sliced this way, the dartboard. You can see the lines in it, how the darts go in. It means there's thousands of dartboards. It's almost like the inside of the pineapple. But anyways, 19 and 19 from NA equals to moon, moon. Moon, moon, 13, 13, 19, 19, 19 equals 57. 57 times 3. 3 times 19 is 57, or 3 times 57, or actually Heinz, in which the N and Z and the H and the I are the same. This equals to 171, or the gateway. Now we're going to come back over here. 19 and 19 equals 38 for the moon. The moon stands for woman, and woman stands for 38. And Q and U, female, stands for 38. With inside, the birth is inside of you. The seed is inside. That means man must be 15 and 15. That means the egg, the son, has to be 15 and 15. Which equals to 30, which equals to 36, which man has to be 17. The Q letter is 17 in man. In all actuality, it is because R minus A equals 17, because R is in the A family. Take away A from R, giving it 17. Add it to it, it becomes the spirit, becomes the SR, or the SRA. Or RAS, if you want to do it that way. So when we get this, we end up with 34. This is the DC energy. 34 equals to 7, 38 equals to 2 equals to 72. 72 times 5, which is the center of all turn, is 360 degrees plus the 5.25. Equals to the 365.25 days. 19 and 15 is 34. Man and woman, AC/DC. 19 and 15, 34, 17 connects the A to the G, equaling to the H and the I and the A. Hia, or Hiab, which is the Hiab is the campground rental. The campground rental. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.